Students, the other day we discussed what is Mendeleev's periodic table, how are the elements arranged, what are the merits, what are the demerits also, and I already told you that that part is very important. So henceforth will be coming out of Mendeleev's periodic table. What happened was, till Mendeleev's periodic table, till Mendeleev proposed his periodic table, uh, scientists knew nothing about the interior of the atom. Like scientists never had an idea. तो era आहे 19th century आहे मुलांनो, म्हणजे 1866 1877, that is called as 19th century. So scientists had no idea what is there inside the atom. Okay, then okay, in that period Mendeleev's periodic table was proposed. After Mendeleev's periodic table was put forth, what happened was, scientists discovered the movement of electrons around the nucleus. The electrons were discovered and the scientists started relating the number of electrons with the atomic number. Okay, then came another scientist who was called as Moseley. Moseley performed Moseley. Then came another scientist who was called Moseley. Moseley said that, Moseley, what did he say? He said that he discussed the X-ray tube. Moseley, he performed the X-ray tube. He performed experiment on the X-ray tube, and he proposed that, inside the atom, the entire electrons revolve around the nucleus, and the nucleus possesses a very strong positive charge, and the positive charge on the nucleus is due to the number of protons inside it, and these number of protons were called as the atomic number. And then came the atomic number, and he mostly directly said that atomic number and not the atomic mass is the fundamental property to classify the elements. Okay, I'll repeat what I said. Till Mendeleev put forth the periodic table of 63 elements, scientists had no idea about the interior of the atom. Then electrons came into discovery. After Mendeleev's periodic table, electrons were discovered. Electrons scientists, what they did, they tried to relate the electrons with the atomic number. Then they were confused what to do and all that. Then Moseley, with the help of other scientists and all that, he performed experiments on X-ray tube, and he said that inside the atom, the total positive charge is possessed by the nucleus. The positive charge on the nucleus is due to the number of protons, and this is called as the atomic number. And Moseley directly said that it is the atomic number which is the fundamental property to classify the elements and not the atomic mass, and hence came forth the Moseley's periodic table. Hence came forth the Moseley's periodic table, which is large in size, therefore called as the long form of periodic table, and also called as the modern periodic table. Student, Moseley's periodic table or long form of periodic table or modern periodic table, तुमची गैरसमज होते. Moseley's periodic table तुमची स्कूल मध्ये जे चार्ट लावलेले असतात periodic table चे, that is proposed by Moseley. ठीक है, it is called as long form of periodic table or modern. Don't go on the word modern as something high technically advanced and all that. No, modern means which can be experimentally proved. Whatever elements are discovered in this Mendeleev's periodic table, they have a proper existence. Means yes, these elements are there, either maybe in the earth, below the earth or in the atmosphere, wherever. त्याला modern म्हणतात. Modern म्हणजे experimental proof आहे. Yes, these elements exist, and hence the periodic table is called as the modern periodic table. Point number 1. Point number 2. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. I'll repeat. In the modern periodic table, the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. Third point. Students, he observed that as the atomic number increases, the properties go on repeating, and hence he proposed his modern periodic table as the physical and chemical properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic number. Means as the atomic number increases, the properties go on repeating. That is called as the periodic function. That's it. Okay, so far I'll repeat regarding Moseley. Moseley with the help of other scientists performed experiments regarding X-ray tube and Moseley came to a conclusion that it is the total charge, positive charge is on the nucleus and the charge on the nucleus is due to the number of protons on the nucleus, and this number of protons is equal to the called as the atomic number, and he said that atomic number is the most fundamental property to classify elements and not the atomic mass. So what is it? It is the atomic number which is used to classify the elements and not the atomic mass. That's it. And he arranged the elements in the increasing order of the periodic table, in the increasing order of the atomic numbers. In his huge table, it is called as Moseley's or long form or modern periodic table. He arranged all the elements and he found that after a suitable interval of time, the properties go on repeating. This is called as properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Okay. So what is Moseley's or law or modern periodic law? That the properties of the elements are the periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Ends the job. Next, if you look into Moseley's periodic table, students, neat ऐकायचा. The Moseley's periodic table or the long form of periodic table consists of 7 periods. Periods म्हणजे horizontal rows. The Moseley's periodic table, the modern periodic table is made up of 7 periods. Periods म्हणजे horizontal rows. 18 groups. 18 groups. Okay, 18 groups. The first point. Second point is that every element is placed in a suitable box with atomic number at the top like this. Every element is placed in a suitable box with the atomic number at the top. And he observed that, students, point number 4. What happened was, he made a huge chart. As you can see the size of the board, that big size the chart is. He made a huge chart consisting of 118 boxes. 118 boxes. In that 118 boxes, 7 periods and 18 groups are there. Along with 7 periods and 18 groups, there are 2 series of elements located at the bottom of the periodic table. They are called the lanthanide and the actinide series. They are called as the lanthanide and the actinide series. Including this 7 periods plus 18 groups plus the boxes for the separate elements lanthanide and actinide series. Together there are 118 boxes. Students, recently it has been seen that all the 118 boxes have been filled. Means no period, no element is left to be discovered. All the elements which are available are completely filled. म्हणजे ही रिसेंट स्टडी आहे. ओके, नाही तर तुमचं पिरियडिक टेबल बघितलं ना बरेच गॅप्स दिसतात तुम्हाला. पण इफ यू लुक इनटू रिसेंट स्टडी इट shows that all 118 out of 118 boxes are completely filled. Means all the elements have been completely discovered. That's it. Point number 1. Point number 2. See here. There are 18 groups. 18 groups. Group number 1 element of group number 1 are called as alkali metals because they form salts. इसलिए alkali, highly reactive, alkali. Second, group number 2 are called the alkaline earth metals. Alkaline means whose oxides or salts are found in the earth's crust. इसलिए उनको बोलते हैं alkaline earth metals. Group number 2 झालं हे. Group number 3 to 8. Group number 3 to 8. Element of group number 3 to element of group number 3 to 12 are called transition elements. Elements of group number 13 to 18, they are consist of all the three varieties, means metals, non-metals and metalloids. I'll repeat. Moseley's periodic table is a huge table consisting of 7 periods, 18 groups. There are total 118 boxes. How many boxes are there? There are total 118 boxes. Okay. Along with the 7 periods and 18 groups, there are 2 series of elements located at the bottom of the periodic table. मोस्टली जेव्हा डिस्कवर केलं बरेच गॅप्स होते. Many boxes were empty, but recently it has been seen that even those empty gaps have been filled, means all 118 out of 118 boxes have been completed. Among the 18 groups, elements of group number 1 are called as the alkali metals. Group number 2 are called as the alkaline earth metals. Group number 3 to 12 are called as the transition metals. Group number 13 to 18 are called consist of all the three. म्हणून त्याला representative elements म्हणतात, पण that is not given in the textbook. They consist of metals, non-metals as well as metalloids. They consist of metals, non-metals as well as metalloids. Students, S block, even the elements in the periodic table are classified into 4 varieties. S block, D block, P block, small letter, and F block. Elements are also further classified into what? S block, D block, P block, F block. S block include group number 1 and 2. D block include element from group number 3 to 12. Elements of P block include group number 13 to 18. हे कुठल्या ब्लॉक मध्ये नाही, हे F block, lanthanide and actinide series. That's it. Clear? Group number 1 and 2 are all metals. Group number 3 to 12 are again metals. Group number 13 to 18 contain metals, non-metals and metalloids. There is a zigzag line which separates the metals on the left side and the non-metals on the right side. Metals on the left side, non-metals on the right side. This zigzag line consists of elements which are called metalloids. That's it. Clear? परत बदलून सांगते. Modern periodic table, 7 periods, 18 groups, 118 boxes, which includes the 7 periods, 18 groups plus the elements located at the bottom of the periodic table, that is the lanthanide and the actinide series. Out of Moseley's periodic table, when it was proposed, many boxes were vacant, but today few recent studies shows that all the 118 boxes are completely filled, which shows that all the elements have been discovered, which are as per the modern periodic law. 18 groups paiki group number 1 are called alkali, means they are highly reactive, they produce salts. Alkaline earth metals whose salts or oxides are present in the earth's crust. Group number 3 to 12 are called transition elements. Group number 13 to 18 are called the representative elements, which include metals, non-metals as well as metalloids. Then again all the 118 elements are further classified into 4 blocks: S block, D block, P block and F block. S block group number 1 to 2, P block 3 to 12, P block 13 to 18 and at the bottom ते कुठल्या ग्रुप मध्ये नाही आहे, ते बाहेर काढून टाकले जाईल. कारण there are valid reasons student. ऐसे नहीं कि just they have been thrown away. No, there are valid reasons. In the P block, a zigzag line separates the metals which are on the left side and the non-metals on the right side. The zigzag line consists of metalloids, that is carbon, silicon, germanium and so on. Clear? Is it okay? Yes. Is it fine students? So for today you read these 2 pages. tomorrow I'll teach some more points. ठीक है? See you then. Bye.